Hi, welcome to the Summer Rain channel. Today we're making a do-it-yourself loofah soap. If you haven't made one before, there's a loofah right in there and it's great for exfoliating. As you can tell, I didn't put very much color in there and you can see the loofah right through it, so that's kind of cool. On my blog, I used a little bit more color than what I used here just to show you the difference between the two. So the less amount of color that you put in there, the more that you can really see the loofah. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every week. I also post a link to my blog where you can get the full recipe and some more information if you'd like it. Without further ado, let's learn how to make a loofah soap. For our loofah soap, we're going to need 4 ingredients. We have melt and pour soap base, and you want to make sure, try to get the clear. If you have white, you can use that. You just want the clear so you can see through it and actually see the loofah in your soap. But again, if all you have is white, that is fine. You just won't be able to see the loofah. You're going to need your loofah, fragrance oil of your choice. I'm using a rainbow fragrance oil and mica powder. So with the mica powder, you kind of want one that's going to be light because again, we want to make sure that we can see through it to see the soap. Let's go ahead and make our loofah soap. Grab yourself a heat-safe container with a pouring spout. We're just going to pop our melt and pour soap in there. Go ahead, pop this into the microwave. I like to do it in like 15-second intervals, and then in between each one, stir it really well. We don't want to overheat our soap base. Our soap base is melted, so go ahead, add your fragrance oil, and then give it a good stir. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our coloring. Again, try not to add too much because you still want to be able to see through the soap. And mix it up. So sometimes mica powder will do this. See how it's kind of in a clump there? You just spritz that with rubbing alcohol and it will break the clumps up for you. And now let me grab our mold. Let's go ahead and prepare our mold. So we're going to take our loofah sponge and just pop it into your silicone mold. Now, if it won't fit, like I still have a little bit of give on the sides, like I could use a little bit of a bigger one, but if it won't fit, you can trim the edges. And now all we do is we go ahead and we pour this in to our mold. I go ahead, I pour it to the top of the loofah, not the top of the mold. And then we'll just allow this to cool. And after your soap is fully cooled, normally about an hour or so, you go ahead and pop it out of the mold, and there is your loofah soap. I hope you enjoyed the video.